Hi friends, welcome to jogocoaching. In this video, I am going to explain about 24 DevOps tools used in the software projects and their usage in the DevOps pipeline setup. Let's get into the video. What is DevOps? Before we jump into the DevOps tools, let's quickly talk about DevOps itself. DevOps is a culture and set of practices defined to integrate the software development, that is called Dev, and the integration with the operation, that is called Ops. The goal is to shorten the development life cycle and increase the development frequency to deliver the high quality software continuously. To enable DevOps process, many tools are used in the various stages of software development cycle. These tools will help to automate the tasks, improve the collaboration, and improve the efficiency of the development, testing, and deployment activities. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Let us understand about the categories of the DevOps tools and the details of the DevOps tools now. Categories of the DevOps tools. DevOps tools can be categorized into 6 stages of the development life cycle. The stages are development stage, continuous integration or continuous deployment stage, testing stage, configuration management, monitoring, and collaboration and communication stage. Let's now look into all the tools used in these 6 categories. Let us understand the development phase tools now. In the development phase, DevOps tools will help the developers to write their code, test the code, and manage the code base. The first DevOps tool used in the development stage is Git. Git is the most widely used version control system. It helps developers to track the code changes, collaborate with other developers, and manage the code history. This is very much needed tool to organize the code so that multiple developers can work on the same code base with the proper branches and version history. The second DevOps tools used in the development phase is GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. So these are all the 3 tools used. This is mainly for the managing the repository. These tools are offering hosting services for Git repositories. These tools will provide the features like issue tracking, code review, and CI/CD integrations. The third DevOps tools used in the development phase is IDE, that is called Integrated Development Environments. IDEs like Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, IntelliJ, and Eclipse are essential for the developers to write the code and test the code. These tools will help the developers to check the syntax, debug the issues, and code compilation. So now we understood the DevOps tools used in the development phase of the software development lifecycle. Let us understand about the CI/CD tools used in the continuous integration and continuous deployment phase. CI/CD tools can help the team to automate the build, automate the testing, and automate the deployment processes. The first tool used in CI/CD category is Jenkins. Jenkins is one of the most popular automation tool for CI/CD pipeline. It automates the build, testing, and deployment of the software. With thousands of plugins, Jenkins integrates with almost every tool in the DevOps ecosystems. The second tool used in the CI/CD category is Travis CI. Travis CI integrates well with GitHub, allowing for easy automation of build and test process. It is simple to set up and works well for open source projects. The third CI/CD tools used is Circle CI. Circle CI is a cloud-based CI/CD tool that focuses on speed and scalability. It integrates with GitHub and Bitbucket and provides advanced features like parallel testing. The fourth CI/CD tool is GitLab CI. GitLab offers integrated CI/CD pipeline within its platform. It's an all-in-one DevOps tool with source code management, CI/CD, and monitoring all in one place. Let us understand about the testing tools used in the DevOps lifecycle. Testing is a critical part of the DevOps lifecycle, ensuring that your software is bug-free and works as expected. The first tool used in the testing is Selenium. Selenium is a powerful open source tool for automating web applications. It allows you to test web apps across the different browsers and operating systems to save time and reduce error in a manual testing. The second tool, DevOps tools used in the testing phase is JUnit. JUnit is one of the most widely used testing framework for Java developers. It allows you to write and run repeatable test cases and ensuring that individual components of your software works correctly. The third tool is TestNG. TestNG is a testing framework inspired by JUnit but designed for test configuration, parallel execution, and more complex testing scenarios. The fourth tools used in the testing phase is Postman. Postman is a popular tool for API testing. It helps developers send requests and validate the responses and making sure that API function properly working before moving into the production. Let us understand about configuration management tools now. Configuration management tools are used to automate the setup and management of servers and infrastructures. They will help to manage the environment where your code runs and to ensure the consistency across the development, testing, and production environment. The first tool used for this is Ansible. Ansible is an open source automation tool that handles configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. The second tool used in this is Puppet. Puppet automates the provisioning and management of the infrastructure. It is a popular tool to manage large-scale infrastructure, which will ensure that everything stays in the desired state. The third tool is Chef. Chef is another automation tool similar to Puppet. It uses Ruby-based scripts to define configuration, making it highly flexible and powerful. The fourth tool is Terraform. Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool used to automate the creation and management of the cloud resources. It supports many cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Now let's understand about monitoring tools used in the CI/CD pipeline. Monitoring is crucial in DevOps to track the health of your system and ensure performance issues are addressed promptly. The first tool used for the monitoring is Prometheus. It's an open source monitoring tool that collects and stores metrics in a time series database. It's a great tool for monitoring large systems and applications. The second tool used for the monitoring is Grafana. Grafana is typically paired with Prometheus. This tool allows us to create beautiful dashboards to visualize the metrics and logs in real time. The third tool used for the monitoring is Nagios. Nagios is a monitoring system that provides monitoring of the host resources, services, and network protocols. It's one of the oldest and most trusted monitoring tool in the industry. The fourth tool used for the monitoring is New Relic. New Relic is a cloud-based monitoring tool that provides real-time insights into your app's performance and helping you to find and fix the issues before they impact the users. The next set of tool is collaboration and communication tools. Collaboration is key in DevOps. These tools will help the team to work together and ensure that communication flows smoothly across the departments. The first tool used for the collaboration and communication is Jira. Jira is a project management tool widely used for tracking bugs, user stories, and tasks. It integrates well with the deployment workflows and is often used in agile environment. The second tool used for the collaboration and communication is Confluence. Confluence is a collaboration tool from Atlassian that helps teams to document their work, share their knowledge, and track the project information. The third tool used for the collaboration and communication is Slack. Slack is a messaging platform that enables real-time communication. It integrates with many DevOps tools like GitHub, Jenkins, and Jira. This tool will allow to stay up to date on task and project progress. The fourth tool used for the collaboration and communication is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration tool to have a real-time communication, meetings, video calls, chat groups, and file sharing features. The MS team will improve team's productivity in the organization. Let us quickly review the summary of the tools that we discussed in this video. Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, Jenkins, Travis CI, Circle CI, GitLab, Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, Postman, Ansible, Puppet, Chef, Terraform, Prometheus, Grafana, Nagios, New Relic, Jira, Confluence, Slack, and MS Team. Each DevOps tool has its unique features. Depending on your project needs, you might find one that is more suitable than another one for your organization. I hope this video is helpful to you to understand what each tool does and how it fits into DevOps process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more contents and leave your questions and comments below. If you are looking for one-on-one coaching or training about agile concepts and career progress, please contact us through the email address mentioned in this page. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.